So for this DIY, you will need 3 skulls from the Dollar Tree. They're just a skull stake here that they glow in the dark if you expose them to light, but we're going to be painting them black. And the paint we will be using is this Rust-Oleum Quick Color Flat Black. And I picked up this bowl from the Dollar Tree also. So let's get started. First things first, we're going to get these glued together. So first things first is we are going to glue all these skulls together like so. And I have my glue gun here waiting, and I got E6000 here. So there's just a couple of points here where it touches, and it's very minute, so we're going to try to get it right on. So you got to do all 3 together and just place them where they would normally just lay. So I'm going to say about there, and I'm going to see if it touches. And I believe we have contact. Yes, we do. So, and then I'm going to put it down in this part here. It's right about there. And yes, I think that will stay touching. And we can still touch it up a little bit too at the end. At least you have some play in with the E6000. And then where it's touched on these points is where we want to put some more glue. So and you're going to let it sit like that for at least 24 hours before you spray paint them. And you know what? I don't even think I'm going to use my glue gun, because I'm just going to let it sit there. And when it's dry enough, then I'm just going to spray paint them black, and then we'll get the rest of it finished. Okay, see you tomorrow. Okay, so tomorrow is here, and I got them all spray painted black, and the E6000 is holding it all together. Now, because I want this to be removable at the party, well, after the party, I'm just going to use hot glue on the day of and put it there so it'll be a temporary fix, and it'll hold it in place, and that way I can take this off and wash it, or if I want to use this for another DIY, I can. But so yeah, this is the project. I absolutely love how it turned out. So thanks for watching, everybody. Have a good day. Bye for now.